You're gonna love the 2014 Toyota Tundra. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control, pass-through rear seat. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your driving pleasure while you take advantage of the latest advances in efficiency. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.